This man went from homeless to millionaire so quickly, he is actually known as the overnight millionaire. And he is sharing his secret on how he was able to attain his success and showing others how they can do the same by following his formula for success. And you know, this formula must work. When you get endorsed by people like Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank, Bethany Frankel, the inventor of the Skinny Girl Margarita, and super salesman and business icon, Grant Cardone. Once he discovered the secret, he started to immediately see results in his life and went from an hourly wage employee to a CEO. He had a desire to help others, so he is sharing the details in a video we are going to give you access to. This video has changed the lives of people all over the world and has been viewed millions of times because of the positive effects it has had on those who watch it. You can get instant access to this video by clicking on the link to the top right or bottom left of this video. You will not be asked for your email address, as we respect your privacy, but we do suggest you watch the video until the end to get the full benefits of his message. Click now, as this may be the answer you have been searching for.